Hello everyone, Apple just recently pushed iOS 26 public beta for all eligible devices. And if you are already using iOS 26 developer beta and want to switch to the public beta version, then this video might be helpful for you. So in order to switch to iOS 26 public beta, first of all, you need to go to the settings. And after that, scroll to general settings and from here select software update. Now from the beta updates, simply tap on this and here select iOS 26 public beta. Now go back on the software update page and this will show you iOS 26 public beta version. So here you can see that it is showing me iOS 26 beta, which is the public beta version of iOS 26, and now I can simply tap on update now, and after that I'll have to input the passcode of my iPhone and this will start downloading iOS 26 public beta on my iPhone. So friends, this is how you can switch from iOS 26 developer beta to iOS 26 public beta. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel.